begins to rise, painting gold across the skies. People gather side by side, hearts awakened, open wide. Whispers drift through quiet air, hope returning everywhere. Shadows fade with every breath, life begins again from death. At the sunrise we gather as one, welcoming the light of a brand new sun, rising from the trials that held us down, finding faith together on the sacred ground. At the sunrise, hope is renewed, every heart remembering what it once knew. Songs of gratitude take flight, filling dawn with gentle light. Every soul that's standing here shares a path through joy and fear. Hand in hand we greet the day, letting old sorrows fall away. In this moment all is clear, new beginnings draw us near. At the sunrise we gather as one, welcoming the light of a brand new sun, rising from the trials that held us down, finding faith together on the sacred ground. At the sunrise, hope is renewed, every heart remembering what it once knew. At the sunrise we gather as one, welcoming the light of a brand new stone. Morning breaks and spirits rise, promise shine.